At 5:30 Friday morning, my daughter Carolyn excitedly woke me up. "Dad, you said we were going to photograph birds today." Evidently, I had set my alarm for 5:30 p.m., not a.m. So, in the pre-dawn hours, we left home and drove 40 minutes inland, where I loaded about 50 pounds of camera gear into my backpack, and Carolyn and I rode our mountain bikes off into this man-made wetlands. We planned to arrive at this beautiful wetlands as the sun was coming up, while the birds are most active and the light is beautiful, and experience the swamp as it comes to life. Filming with the drone gives us a unique bird's eye view. I felt like I was flying with the birds. The birds are quite a ways off, as I was trying not to encroach too close and disturb their normal behavior. Many of these water birds are indicator species, meaning the numbers of these birds serve as a way to measure the health of the environment, aspects such as water quality, availability of food, good nesting habitat, etc. Like the water birds, we too are very social creatures. We flock together and tell stories and share experiences. I do this through my art. In fact, if we go back far enough in time, we see 40,000 years ago cave paintings as an essential element to our early development of communications. To this day, I use my art to connect people to nature. This connection is essential to our health. These difficult times are no different, as I continue to sculpt and paint every day. I love sharing this experience with my daughter and instilling a love of nature with her. I hope you have also enjoyed seeing these water birds. Remember, we are part of the ecosystem. Enjoy it and protect it. I look forward to the day when we can again gather at the studio and share our experiences and stories in person. Until then, be well, stay safe, and I encourage you to reach out. If you enjoy this video, please share it. Geoffrey Smith.